Hey, Al. So, I want to talk to you today a little bit about something that gets back to basics for you. It's this little thing, it's called a story card. So, a story card is a very, very simple tool, and that's the way we like them in Agile. We like simple tools that you can use, lots of tangible things that you can touch. A story card is a way that we document requirements. It's not a detailed software requirement specification, an SRS. It's a promise of a conversation that you will have later with your business customers so that you can understand the requirement. We don't spend a lot of time up front documenting these requirements because often in projects that are Agile, we are doing them using an Agile methodology as opposed to a waterfall or an incremental or an iterative model, but an Agile model. Look at my post earlier about the differences between those different models because there's a serious difference between them and you need to understand it. In an Agile project, it's very likely that your requirements are going to change or going to be reshuffled. And you don't want to spend a lot of time up front documenting a requirement that you're not going to use. So we do it very lightweight. So as opposed to explaining Thanksgiving dinner, we just give you one little piece of the meal. The story cards are really, very simple. You put, as a something, I would like some feature or function, so that something. So as a, and you name the actor there, I would like the feature or function that you're going to develop, so that, and that's the value that that actor gets out of it. So a great way to do this is to put on a whiteboard a list of actors. Okay, and then move them off to the side. And then you list one actor, and then you start talking about, okay, that actor would do what? What are the things that they would do? And you start throwing out there the things that they would do. So you've got the actor listed, and then you list off the I would likes, so that, I would like, so that, I would like, so that. Now you've got your story cards done. You know, you can take 3 hours, or you can take half an hour, and you can document a whole bunch of story cards that maybe are at a high level and you need to break them down further, but we'll talk about how to do that later. But that's it. That's really all you need to do. So then, that's the front of the story card. On the back of the story card, you add one more thing. You add your acceptance criteria. How will you know that it's done? I'll know it's done when I can, access the website. I'll know it's done when I can drill down on that thing. And from your acceptance criteria, flow out your test cases. Okay? So that's it. That's all that's on a story card. 2 things, front and back. All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.